everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching 3-star resort. In this resort, 5 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see hundred of reviews of this resort, you can go to agoda.com. Check-in time in this resort is 12 p.m. and checkout time of this resort is 12 p.m. If you have checked out from this resort, you can send your experiences via comments. Please check description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this resort, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel and want to subscribe to it, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming resort. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we meet again in a new video with a new resort.